Hello, this is Norine Boone, online student for Mobility and Data Management class, and I will begin attempting to correctly ingest my footage that I have. So as you can see up here, I have already created my folder for in my library of the footage, or for this assignment, I should say. I've already named it. So now I'm going to go onto my computer and pull out the footage that I have taken, and instead of doing them one by one, I am just going to ingest all of them at the same time. I want it to be added into a new event, which is the name of the library that I created, and I will name it Kid Gamer. Reason being, this is my son doing his YouTube tutorial of him playing his favorite game, Minecraft. So for the files, it's not giving me any other options, so I'm just going to keep it at copy to library. I decided to go with create proxy media, and I'm going to import. Now what I'm going to do first is I am going to rename my file. So this one was proof. So I'll go with scene 1, and it was proof of time and date. This will be scene 2, take 1, because we had to do multiple takes of this one. Take 1, and it will be intro. This is scene 2, take 2, and again, intro. This we're going to rename scene 3, take 1, tutorial of Minecraft. And this one we will rename scene 3, take 2, again, tutorial of Minecraft. And finally, we have scene 4, and this is our outro. So now we have renamed all of our footage. Now we are going to go in and make sure that our info, everything for our info is what we want. Everything is put in correctly. Camera name will be Sony FS700. And we will do the same thing for the next footage. We're going to go ahead and just name everything. So camera name and source will actually be the same for me. I just used the word source, but on here it has camera name. So again, Sony FS700. We're going to do it for just each one of the clips, so that way everything gets input correctly. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, so we have 2 more clips to do. We're renaming FS700, and last clip. And clearly I won't be using all of these clips, But just so I won't have to double work and go back and do it after the fact, I just want to go ahead and do it now to go ahead and get that portion out of the way. Now also what we're going to add is we're going to add custom field. And so this will be called location. You want to name it location. And for description, the location will be living room. So we're going to go in here and see, okay, location. Now for this, I'm only going to put the location on only the footage that, the location is living room. So I'm only going to put it on the footage that I'm actually going to be using. So living room. Living room. And the last one. So now we have our name, we have our source, we have our location. I'm going to add another custom field, and I'm going to name this actor. And we're going to find it on here again, which is down here. So actor, and this is Christopher. And again, going to put it just on the actual footage that we will actually be using. So that way we're not overworking when it comes to that. Oops, I don't know why I keep typing the word actor instead of the actor name. Okay. And the last one, okay, it's already there. So we have our actor, our location, our source. Let's also add, let's go ahead and do shot type. So let's add another custom metadata field, and we're going to do shot type. So let's see, for our first footage, the shot type will be extreme close-up. Our next one, shot type will be medium wide shot, I would say. The next one will be close-up, and final one would be medium shot. Okay, so we have just created and updated our metadata information. So that part will complete. And I could just go ahead, since we're on, just go ahead and start bringing the footage that I will actually be using. Go ahead and bring those footage in. Sorry about all that noise with that. So I'm going to go ahead and import what we're going to be using, so that way when we get to the edit portion, it will go a whole lot smoother. And then we have our outro. And then I'll be able to edit everything to make sure everything is under 10 minutes and that everything flows smoothly. So we have our clips right here, all of our clips that we did. We renamed each one of our clips by scene number and take number and then exactly what that clip was. Once we did that, we went over to our info section, which would be the information for our metadata. And for each clip, we updated it. So we have the source or the camera name, our location, our actor, and our shot type, or the additional information that we decided to add for each one of our clips. And finally, we already brought everything down to the bottom for the editing process. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I did it correctly. Good evening.